Now let us deal with a probability problem. Find the probability that a card is taken from a deck, either that card is ace or a spade. Assume that probability of A or B, we have to find out if the events A or B are not mutually exclusive. In this case, what we have to do is we have to follow the addition formula for the probability, namely probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. Now in this case, A stands for ace and B, the event, stands for the spade. Now probability for the ace is equal to the favorable number of ways for the ace to come is equal to 4, and total number of chances is equal to the total number of cards, 52. So the probability of ace is equal to 4 by 52. Similarly, the probability of spade is equal to the favorable number of spade to come is equal to 13 divided by the total number of ways, 52. So thereby probability of spade is equal to 13 by 52. Now let us consider the probability of ace and spade together to come. That is only one possibility, so 1 divided by 52. So now the resultant is nothing but the probability of A or B is equal to the probability of ace plus probability of spade minus probability of A and spade, that is equal to 4 by 52 plus 13 by 52 minus 1 by 52, that is nothing but 16 by 52, and you just abbreviate this value, this fraction becomes 4 by 13. So this is the final answer for this problem.